Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. It is going to be really fun and really knowledgeable. I hope you guys liked my previous video. It was all about braiding your hair. So you guys can try it out at home. If you like it, please send me your pictures. I want to see how it actually turns out. Now for today, I am planning to do some really cool Hollywood waves. Okay, so I am using this hair straightener. This says nothing branded. This is nothing very expensive. You can, I guess, easily get it anywhere. So this has a temperature line until 230, but I'm gonna keep the temperature medium, maybe in 200 or 185. And yes, before you guys go any further, I would like to tell you one very important advice before using any kind of thermal irons or dryers or any curling machines. Always use a heat protection spray before doing this stuff. If you don't really have that, then you can simply use a serum, but at least use something before doing anything to your hair. It will kind of act as a barrier for further damage. As for me, I am going to use this hair serum. This is Techniart from L'Oreal. It's a very good one. You guys can try it out. So ladies, take out your magic wands. We are going to perform awesome charms with our hair. Let's start. Ladies, so let's start, shall we? So I'm just gonna apply the serum. First of all, apply it evenly all over here and always avoid it applying on the scalp. Now I'm just gonna take 4 sections. I'm going to clip them up like this. Now take the end part, checking the temperature, take out your iron and roll it inwards. So if I'm doing it inward, I'm going to keep it inwards only, all over the hair. Continue this until end. So I'm just gonna do both sides and we're done with both sides. Now come in the front part. Do the same, inwards. So if you guys start with an outward direction, make sure to keep outward all over the hair. It's not important that you have to do inwards only. Just maintain one direction. Now from the front part, try taking a triangular section and then do it, because this will give you a good volume. Make sure keep the ends inside. And we're about to done. And it's done. Now I'm just gonna style it with whatever spray I have. You guys can use whatever you have, from the front and back. Wow, just gonna open it. That will give you awesome waves.
So if you guys feel like one side is quite fluffy, you guys can settle it down. I like it, so I'm just gonna keep it that way. And we're done. Gorgeous.
Hey you guys, this was up with the video. I hope you guys like it, and I really hope that you will try this hairstyle, this technique at home, and please send me your pictures if you do. I really love to see those. And if you guys want to give some comments or some feedbacks or anything, feel free to use that comment section below. And yes, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video, and I'm gonna bring you some fun videos next time again. With that, I would like to say goodbye and see you soon. Bye bye.